With Mike Cohn at the Java user group meeting, who just gave a presentation about estimating with Agile. Mike, give us some words of wisdom.
Okay. One of the things that I want to tell teams that are doing planning poker as their estimating approach is that I'd encourage you to have a discussion about what the points mean. With that, I'm thinking about the idea that some teams think about the points and use a rounding off approach. If they think something's between two numbers, they'll round off. What I like better is to talk about that and agree that the points really mean some sort of bucketed size. If we're using the modified Fibonacci sequence, typically a 13 and a 20 are involved. If we're looking at a story and we think we want to call it a 14-15, we got to go with a 20. The idea here is to think of those units as buckets of water. 14 gallons don't fit in a 13-gallon bucket. 14-point story doesn't fit in a 13 estimate, so we have to round up to that next highest number. Teams that do that seem to turn out a whole lot better on their plans because work, when looked at in detail, later when we're doing sprint planning, turns out to be bigger than we initially thought in many cases. So having this kind of slight rounding up occasionally seems to help teams.
Great. Thanks a lot, Mike.
Sure.
Bye.